Welcome back to TechScope, your front row seat to the future of technology. Today, we're diving into something bold, futuristic, and genuinely groundbreaking. Tecno's all-new Phantom Ultimate G Fold, a concept phone that's taking foldables to the next level. Yes, we've seen foldables, flips, and even rollables, but Tecno just introduced something different. A tri-fold foldable phone with an incredibly thin profile, measuring just 3.49 millimeters when fully unfolded. That's slimmer than most tablets, and even slimmer than Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7. But is this a true innovation, or just a concept stunt? Let's break it down. What exactly is the Tecno Phantom Ultimate G Fold? This is not your average foldable phone. The Phantom Ultimate G Fold is Tecno's latest concept device featuring a G-style tri-fold display, meaning it folds inward twice, using two separate hinges to collapse into a compact, book-like form. When fully unfolded, the device becomes a 9.94-inch tablet-sized display, perfect for multitasking, productivity, or immersive media consumption. Yet, when it's folded, it compresses to just 11.49 millimeters in thickness. That's insane when you consider how many moving parts are involved. This makes it the thinnest trifold foldable ever conceived, and possibly the most ambitious foldable phone design to date. Engineering marvel, the dual hinge design. Let's talk about what makes this design special. The dual hinge mechanism. Tecno uses a G-style folding structure that allows the display to fold inward twice, which does two things. 1. Protects the flexible screen completely when closed, and 2. Creates a gapless fold, preventing dust or debris from sneaking in. This inward folding mechanism is more advanced than Samsung's current Z Fold models, which still leave a noticeable gap when closed. Tecno combines a water drop hinge for a tight curve and a larger multi-angle hinge that supports different folding positions, like hover mode, allowing the phone to stand on its own like a mini laptop. Specs and concept limitations. Now, before you get too excited, let's be clear. This device is still a concept, meaning it's not a final product and isn't for sale yet. But Tecno has hinted at some impressive internal ambitions. A flagship-level chipset, likely Snapdragon or Dimensity series. A triple rear camera array. A battery over 5,000 mAh, and an optimized UI that seamlessly adapts to all three screen states. However, no confirmed hardware specs or launch dates have been revealed. Tecno is expected to fully showcase the device at MWC 2026, and for now, it remains an engineering showcase, not a commercial product. Tecno versus Samsung, the battle of the foldables. So how does Tecno stack up against the reigning king, Samsung? The Galaxy Z Fold 7, already launched in mid-2025, uses a tri-fold inward hinge as well, and measures around 4.2 millimeters unfolded, 8.9 millimeters folded, and weighs approximately 215 grams. Meanwhile, Tecno's concept hits 3.49 millimeters unfolded, making it thinner than Samsung, and 11.49 millimeters folded. While Samsung leads in production and ecosystem, Tecno is clearly going after the title of foldable design leader, offering a gapless fold, full screen protection, and ultra-thin architecture that even Samsung hasn't matched yet. It's a tech flex, not a mass-market phone, but it's making waves. So what do you think? Would you use a tri-fold smartphone like the Tecno Phantom Ultimate G Fold? Do you see it as a game changer or just a flashy concept? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start a conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future-focused tech deep dives, only here on TechScope. Until next time, keep watching where technology meets possibility.